Okay, so welcome to my second video. So previously we created a user, but we didn't do any other configurations or any settings about the user or any information about the user. We just added the user. So if you add the user, by default that user is not yet activated in the system. Why? Because we don't have enough information about the user. So we need the basic information so that the user can be activated in the system. So what will happen if the user is not activated in the system and he is just added to the system? If the user comes and log in to the system, okay, this is the user which we previously created using developer at paygrid.co.za. So by default, the password of the user is his or her ID plus the surname in small letters. So also I'll explain to you on the other video on how to just reset your password initially without using the default password. So I'm gonna log in as the user who has not been activated. So this is what the user is gonna see. So it shows a message that your employment status is not active, so all other information. So now let's exit and log in as the admin. Okay, I'm gonna log in as the admin. This is my default password and username. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'll go to the HR and then I'll go to the work details. Then this is the user which we added, and we're gonna click edit. Then now we can say, okay, the position of the user is a developer, the branch is Midrand, the supervisor, again we can say this is the supervisor of the user, grade, salary grade is A, employment status is active, system access of the user is the general user, then employee number, I'm gonna put the employee number, then put the text number, then we update our changes. So it means now the user can log into the system and can use the system, and also at least we have the basic of the information that this user is on this branch, the supervisor, because the information like the supervisor will help in other applications like you approve overtime, your approval for leave, and all other info. So we definitely need this information. Okay, so let's just finish about how to update all this information of the user. So this was work details, which makes the user being active. Then we're gonna update the personal details. Okay, you see the user doesn't have any information here, so can come here, okay, and say update. This is Mr. Okay, what's your gender? Is a male. What's your cell? Okay, I'm gonna say your ID type. You can say this person maybe is using a passport or is using a South African ID. You can select. Okay, say it says passport. Okay, and then you're gonna select the ID country. Maybe we can say from Spain or any other country, whatever. And all right, so you can update the user. So now we've updated the personal details. So we can say we want to update the address details, we want to update the bank details. Okay, so we can go here and say let's add bank details for our user. You can either use a search or you can actually scroll and see. So say you're searching for Mike Jacobs, then account name, bank name, then account number, then the branch, and the branch code should be 6 numbers, otherwise it will refuse the validation. Okay, then we can add bank details. Now you see here we have the bank details for our created user. Okay, so we can go again and update the address details. So we can add address details. Okay, you have the user unit number, let's say 94, complex name, fountain view, street number 17, street name, Vodacom, Belvedere, Sebek, you can say city, that's Johannesburg, South Africa, then the postal code 1682. Can add that one. Okay, so it means now we had successfully added the user personal details, work details, bank details, and address details. So this is the end of our tutorial on how to add a user. If you have done this, it means we have completely added a user in the system. But initially, you can actually add a user by just an ID name and surname and email. So this information can be like a continuous. You can update. Let's say, okay, no, I wanna update here. I made a mistake here. I wanna